Welcome to Growth Hacks. In this video, we shall discuss icons and symbols of India. First question: who among the following was the first Indian to unfurl the Indian national flag on foreign land? Answer option B, Bikaji Kyama. Second question: which colors are being used in the Indian national flag? We know the colors of Indian national flag: orange, white and green. So we can choose the option all of the above. Third one, the present national flag of India was designed by whom? Answer Pingali Venkaya. This is the present national flag of India, and the ratio of length to width of our national flag is 3:2. Now we shall see the national flags before the present national flag. See, the national flag of India in 1906. Vande Mataram is written in the middle, and you can see the first national flag of India, unofficial flag of India in 1906. 1907, the second flag, the Berlin Committee flag, first raised by Bikaji Kyama. So the second national flag was raised by Bikaji Kyama. 1917, the third national flag, the flag used during Home Rule movement in 1917. 1921, the flag unofficially adopted in 1921. Then the flag in 1931, the flag adopted in 1931. This flag was also battle ensign of the Indian National Army. The present tricolor flag of India adopted from 1947 onwards. So the present flag is designed by Pingali Venkaya, and the first person to raise Indian flag, to unfurl Indian flag on a foreign land is Bikaji Kyama, and the flag unfurled was this flag. Fourth question: who is the writer of Indian national anthem? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Fifth question: what does white color in our Indian national flag signifies? Answer truth. White color in our flag signifies peace and truth. Sixth question: unity in diversity is the national identity of India. Yes, it is correct. Unity in diversity is the national identity of India. Seventh question: how many lions are there in the national emblem of India? India's national emblem consists of 4 lions. Option B, 4. This is the national emblem of India. It consists of 4 lions, but at a time only 3 are visible to us. National symbol of India, pride and honor of our nation. See, national emblem of India. 4 Asiatic lions symbolizing power, courage, confidence and pride. You can see symbol of Buddhist Dharma Chakra with 24 spokes. Bull, hard work. Horse shows loyalty, speed and energy. Satyameva Jayate is written in the base. It is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Satyameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs. So, this is the national emblem of India. Rabindranath Tagore, he wrote the national anthem of India. Rabindranath Tagore. More picture, Rabindranath Tagore. Eighth question, what does white color in the national flag represent? Option B, peace and truth. Ninth question, from where was the national emblem of India? Option C, lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. So, the name of India's national emblem is lion capital. It is taken from the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. 10th question, from which monument did India adopt as its national emblem? Sarnath, the lion capital of Sarnath. 11th one, India's national motto, Satyameva Jayate, inscribed below the national emblem, is taken from which Indian scripture? Option B, Mundaka Upanishad. Satyameva Jayate is taken from the ancient script Mundaka Upanishad. 12th one. Arrange the months based on our national calendar Saka era in correct order. The national calendar of India is the Saka calendar, and the first 4 months in order are Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshta, Ashada, and the Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. Saka calendar, also known as Shalivahana Saka calendar, Indian national calendar. The months are given here. The 12 months in our national calendar are Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshta, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Marga, Shirsha, Agrahayana, Paush, Magh, Falgun. So these are the 12 months in Indian national calendar. So when we arrange the months in order, the order is A, B, C, D, Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshta and Ashada. 13th question. The Indian national calendar is based on option D, Saka era. What is the ratio of width to length of national flag of India? Note, if they ask ratio of length to width, then it is 3:2. But if they ask width to length, please note the answer is 2:3. 15th one, who among the following composed the national anthem of Bangladesh? The national anthem of Bangladesh is composed by option C, Rabindranath Tagore. 16th one, who has written Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer, option C, Muhammad Iqbal. Muhammad Iqbal, the author of Sare Jahan Se Acha. National song composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee composed the national song Vande Mataram. Janagana Mana was first published in January 1912. In which magazine? Tattva Bodhini Patrika. So Janagana Mana was first published in 1912 in Tattva Bodhini Patrika. 20. The words Satyameva Jayate in the state emblem of India were taken from Upanishads. Mundaka Upanishad. 21. When was the national anthem adopted by the government of India? Answer 24th January 1950. 20. Next question. Wheel on Indian national flag has how many spokes? There are 24 spokes in the wheel on Indian national flag. This wheel has 20 spokes. Which of the following is the national song of India? Option C, Vande Mataram. 24. Vande Mataram was taken from which of the following novels? Option B, Anand Mat. 25. The national song of India, Vande Mataram, was sung for the first time on which political occasion? Vande Mataram was first sung in 1896 INC Indian National Congress session. 26. Which is the national animal of India? Option A, Royal Bengal tiger. Actually, before the tiger, the national animal of India was the lion. Lion was made the national animal of India on 9th July 1969. The tiger was made the national animal of India on 18th November 1972. So before 1972, lion was the national animal of India, and from 1972 onwards, tiger, Royal Bengal tiger, came to be known as the national animal of India. Which is the national tree of India? Answer, banyan tree. Banyan tree, the national tree of India. River Ganga, the national river of India. River Ganga. National heritage animal, Indian elephant. National heritage animal, Indian elephant. Our national bird, peacock. National fruit of India, mango. National vegetable, pumpkin. National vegetable, pumpkin. National flower, lotus. National aquatic animal of India, Ganges River dolphin. Ganges River dolphin, national aquatic animal of India. Thanks for watching.